Hello and how friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving 1% family. I am your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let's do some painting. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story, turning setbacks into comebacks. So now let's go. In a small village nestled between the mountains, there lived a young woman named Ellie. She was known for her radiant smile and unwavering determination. Ellie had always dreamed of becoming a renowned artist despite the limited resources in her village. She would paint with whatever she could find, pieces of charcoals, natural dyes, and even mud. Her art, though simple, but they were filled with emotion and beauty. One day an art exhibition was announced in her nearby city. It was a golden opportunity for Ellie to showcase her talent to the world. With the little savings she had, she bought some canvas and paints, preparing for a big break. Her hands worked tirelessly and her heart poured into every stroke. However, just days before the exhibition, a devastating storm hit the village. The winds howled and the rain lashed with such ferocity that it tore through Alice's small house. When the storm subsided, Alice's heart sank. The roof of her house had collapsed and her paintings were ruined. Everything she had worked for was destroyed in a matter of minutes. Devastated, Alice sat amidst the wreckage, tears streaming down on her face. It felt like all dreams had been washed away with the storm. The village elders tried to console her. They were telling to her forget about the exhibition and move on. But deep inside, Ellie knew that she could not give up so easily. Gathering her courage, Ellie decided to salvage whatever she could. She picked up the torn pieces of canvas, the broken brushes, and the muddy colors. She started anew, creating art from remnants of whatever was left. Her new paintings were different, raw, powerful, and full of emotion. They told the story of loss, pain, and the strength to rebuild. When the day of the exhibition arrived, Alice stood before her work with a mix of hope and fear. The city was filled with artists showing their pristine, beautiful pieces. But the Alice painting born from the debris of her dreams stood out. People were drawn to the depth and intensity in her work. They could see the pain, the struggle, and the ultimate triumph. To Alice's surprise, her art won the highest accolades, not because it was perfect, but because it resonated with the human spirit. Her story of turning setbacks into comebacks touched everyone who saw her work. She returned to her village not just as an artist, but a symbol of resilience. In last, moral of the story is life's setbacks can be devastating, but they also have the power to fuel our greatest comebacks. It's not about avoiding failures, but also rising stronger after each fall. True success born from perseverance and the courage to rebuild from the ashes. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twists.
I miss the family I used to have. I feel like everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have my guard up, hands on my face. I learned to cope with the pain. I know that people think I'm trying to get attention, but in reality I'm trying to send a message. I know there's kids out there that are going through the same thing, and if you're one of them, I hope to help your suffering. Just know it will get better and these feelings do not stay the same. No, they don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad,